RH Ranch.
Can we see it though? Yeah, we can see it. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I missed you too. Oh, now the puppies have food. First up on the farm tour, we have
Chickens.
our chickens. Yep,
Right, can you help me?
and there's their home, right there.
Yep, our little.
This is our camper. Well, their camper. Right here we have eggs. There's one. There's another one. Actually, grab this one.
Fake eggs.
What? Then we got this one. Yep. Very nice, very nice. A little redneck camper. Coop. Chicken bobber. Let me show you the tires on this bad boy.
You just showed them my face.
Them real nice tires right there.
Yep.
Right here we have Jimmy Bobby, and Bobby Jim.
Yep.
Now we're about to go get the horses, our ponies, Taco and Rusty. Okay, meet the newest addition to the farm, Taco. Hey. He is a miniature pony. Miniature horse. And he's gonna sleep. Can't quite ride him yet, but we're getting there. We will be squirrel hunting off of him. And he will be carrying our squirrels. But yeah, let's Taco.
Donkeys. We're just trying to flip the kayak. But we got some visitors. Hi, babies. So we forgot a paddle, so we're paddle to the other side and get a paddle.
Sebastopol geese are checking out their new hay. Then over here we have the donkeys and the Dada, the pig, right there. And then over here we have the goats. And that's our farm. That's our ranch. Thanks for watching.